So today I'm going to show you how to insert a table of content automatically in Google Docs. So what you just have to do is take for example you've typed all your documents, then you want to insert the table of content. What you just have to do is take for example use Ember of the Forbidden Kingdom. You highlight the spaces or the words that you want to see in your table of content. So you highlight it, then you go to format, you go to paragraph style, then click on heading 1. Click apply heading 1. Let's choose another so let's choose chapter outline again. Then click on format, paragraph style, click on heading 1. So you do that for every of the subtitles or chapters or sub chapters that you want to see in your table of content. Then you go to a new page, then you click on insert, then you go to page element, then you can see the table of content, then you choose whatever style you want to use, and click on dotted. You can see every single one that every single subtopic or subchapters or chapters that you've formatted to be at the heading 1 is what you see there. So that's how to automatically create your table of content in Google Docs. Thank you very much.